So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add a navigation menu on Shopify. So the first thing you want to do is go to your Shopify admin panel, which will look something like this. Now from here you can check out the left side of the screen by going to orders, products, customers, marketing, content, markets, analytics, online store, apps, and settings. So if you click on online store, it's going to open up stuff like this, like themes, pages, and preferences. And you should also see once you set everything up, so you can see here pick a plan. So once you do pick a plan, you will see some more options and it will look something like this. So you can see online store, themes, blog posts, pages, and you can see navigation. And you will need to click on that navigation, and from there you can see the option for main menu. So go ahead and click on that main menu as well. Through there you can see the menu items, so you can add that menu item and you can call it navigation menu. So through there you can set it up and it's going to look something like this. You can customize it through here as well. So if you choose this option, you can see here my store, home, catalog, and contact, which is in the header, which is a sort of a navigation menu, but it's actually through the header, and you can add a section through there like an announcement bar or something like that, but it's usually done through navigation on your navigation screen within your online store once you pick a plan and set up your Shopify account, so you can find it on there afterwards. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video, you can also share the video, you can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Shopify or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.